Hey, we found an off-grid pressure washer. This is not a paid endorsement, but I think it's pretty cool. We'll do there's no reviews or anything on this online, so we'll actually try it and see if it works for people that don't have running water or power at their place, because we're off-grid here at the castle. So one of the things we've been struggling with is we can't pressure wash. Not that we're going to pressure wash the entire castle, but we'll find out. So this is the Greenworks Pro. It says 1800 PSI cordless pressure washer. The most powerful battery system. We already had some Greenworks Pro batteries. This is the tool only. But we'll see what all you get. Instructions. Do you read these things, baby?
Yeah, I actually do.
It's got a little key. Got a thingy.
Glasses. I need glasses.
Got a thingy. This is. Got the tub to put the water in. A soap brush, I don't think we'll need that. This is a down and dirty review. Get it? We're just trying to find out if it works. I can't believe somebody hasn't made one of these before. All right. I don't know what all this stuff is. Let me read the instructions a little bit to find out what I'm doing, and then Carrie will turn the camera back on. All right, I found the quick setup guide. So, we'll just go with what they say. Add water to the bucket. We have water. We actually were given this from people at the houseboat.
Yeah, we did.
Here comes the water. Wonder how much water you have to haul to
A lot.
wash an entire castle with an off-grid pressure washer.
How much water does that bucket hold?
I think it's 5 gallons. I'm just gonna do that much for right now. We'll find out if it works. I don't even know. Since I haven't seen a review of this, I don't even know if it works. All right, install the bucket onto the base. Lift and push down the bucket to fix the bucket. These things. She's strapped on now.
Okay.
Assemble pressure washer gun to the spray wand. That's this.
Yep.
So, put it in. That's done. Connect the desired pressure tip. Which one do we want? Oh, there they are.
They're attached.
I think we're gonna need the one that washes really pressure-y. All right. Connect the desired pressure tip. I did it. Push and turn clockwise one end of the high pressure hose onto the inlet coupler.
I think they're the same.
They are.
That makes it nice.
And it's covered.
Ah.
So, forgive us. We aren't unboxers.
No, not really.
We are just doing this because. So it's tightened up. Then I have to thread the priming valve onto the pressure washer outlet and rotate clockwise until tightened. See, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty.
That doesn't always work.
Well, you are correct. There are some left-handed threads, but they are rare.
Propane tank.
Oh, I wonder how tight you have to tighten.
Finger tight?
We'll try finger tight.
Frank, finger tight is pretty tight.
Alright. Thread the priming valve onto the pressure washer outlet and rotate clockwise until tightened. Once installed, take the end of the included high pressure hose and tighten onto the valve. These haven't been untied since China.
You know, we've been... Yeah.
What?
I was just saying, we picked a very cold morning to play with water.
Well, it's just how it happens.
I know.
As you get later into the year, fall happens. Alright, that's very coiled, but they didn't tell me this is clockwise. I'm just guessing. Alrighty. Install the battery pack and turn on the pressure washer. We're not trying the soap thing yet. We probably won't. This was a battery only, or I mean a tool only, so we already had one of these. And looks like it goes on the side. It was already on.
It sounds just like the one at the boat.
Alrighty. So, we just got some extra rocks we're going to try it on this morning. Because if it doesn't work, we don't want to ruin any of our antiques.
Correct.
Carrie's going to see what happens. These were really dirty rocks. The birds have been sitting on them, well, sitting on them, eating red berries.
Yeah.
So I wasn't sure that would come off, but the algae is coming off.
Yeah, the algae's coming off real nice.
But I'd say for not having any running water or electricity, this thing does pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
I mean, it's limestone with I would say it's a success.
I would say so too.
Now, it does cost $200. The tool costs $200, and the battery, to get a good battery, costs about $100.
But we have, like Frank said, we have other Greenworks.
And I probably just used a gallon and a half of water. So it goes, water goes quick, but I mean, it's a battery powered off-grid washer. I mean, we can't do anything.
Hey, I think it works great.
As you can tell, we'd love to do some of the other stuff, but I think it's a success.
I think so too.
Greenworks Pro 60 volt pressure washer. Woo!
Well done.
Oh, and if you're here for the pressure washer review and you haven't subscribed to our Mooreland House channel, or sorry, what do we call it? Frank and Carrie's Adventures.
Yes.
We're rebuilding this, and you can come visit us.
Yeah.
That's an advertisement. All right, we're gonna be using this today.
Today.
Getting some dormer stones cleaned up.
Fantastic. Thanks. Yep. Well, Frank's gonna give her a go on the stones that we have. Now that we tested it on those this morning, and they look really good.
And I'm not gonna knock off I'm not gonna use it on this. I'm just gonna maybe knock off some of the green.
Yeah.
But I want it to match the rest of the castle.
Right.
Alrighty.
There we go.
It's close enough for me.
They look really good compared to where we started. Very nice. What do you think of your power washer?
Looks great.
I think so.
I mean, for a bucket and a battery, it works fantastic.
So we have
It
multi-uses.
works fantastic for a bucket and a battery.
Yes, it does.
And pressure washers are pretty expensive.
Yeah. Nicely done.
I mean, just cleaning that took, I don't know, about 4 gallons.
Yeah,
But hey,
that's okay. Now we're gonna let them drip a little bit, and then up they go.